How to make an Upwork account? Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this step-by-step tutorial. So if you would like to do that, then keep watching till the end because I'll show you everything on how to do this. And if this video was helpful, then also let me know in the comments. I would appreciate that. So let's get started over here. I simply search for Upwork and I just got all these sponsored links, but I'll just click on the first one. Now over here, this is how it will look like. And I'll click on sign up right over here at the top right corner. So here you have to join as a client or freelancer. Now you can decide which one you would like to. Now a client is someone that hires people for a project, and a freelancer is the one that gets hired and is looking for work. So I have timestamps in the description. I'll first do the freelancer over here, and then I'll do later in the video do the client. So if you would like to skip to there, you can actually click on the chapters. So I'll just click on freelancer and then looking for work. So apply as a freelancer. You can actually continue with Apple or Google, or simply fill all of this in manually. Once you've filled all of that in, you want to click on this to accept it. Then click on create my account. Then it will say your account has been successfully created. So here it says ready for your next big opportunity. So here you see all of this. So you want to click on get started. It says it only takes 5 to 10 minutes and you can edit it later. So click on get started. Here it says a few quick questions. First, have you freelanced before? I'm brand new to this. I have some experience. I'm an expert. Choose whichever one you would like to. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? To earn my main income, to make money on the side, to get experience for a full-time job. I don't have a goal in mind yet. For example, this one. And how would you like to work? I'd like to find opportunities myself. I'd like to package up my work for clients to buy. So as it says, so clients post jobs on our talent marketplace. You can browse and bid for them or get invited by a client. And here it says, define your service with prices and timelines. We'll list it on our project catalog for clients to buy right away. So this is where clients can hire you right away. They can see your portfolio, they can see everything, and they have to find you basically. So when they are looking for a specific job to hire people, and this one is basically where you look for jobs that you want to apply to, and then do that yourself. So choose which one you would like to, and then click on create a profile. Here it says, how would you like to tell us about yourself? You can, for example, import from LinkedIn, upload your resume, or fill out manually. For example, video editor. Here you can add, if you have relevant work experience, you can add that over here. This is basically how it will look like here, like your title, company, location, description. You can also skip this. Clients like to know what you know, add your education here. For example, add the school you've went to, and then you can also do that. Do you have certifications? You can add like your certificate over here as well. Which languages do you speak? So English, for example, fluent like that, add a language, something like that, for example. Then click on next, add to your skills. So here, what work are you here to do? Your skills. I'll just add, for example, video editing, stuff like that. Here you can write a bio to, tell people who you are and blah, blah, blah. I'll just do this real quick, just for the sake of this tutorial to show you guys. What are the main services you offer? So here it says already video and animation, but if you would like to do something more specific, then you can also search for it over here. Click on next. And here you actually have to set your rates. So if you are, for example, very experienced and you're very good at what you do, you can, for example, put this actually pretty high, but if you are just starting, you might have to put this a little bit lower and then slowly put your prices higher. You can also click on learn more. So it'll basically explain you in a video how you can set your rates, and click on got it. So here you can actually fill all of that in. And at last, here you can fill in your country, street address, city, and your phone number as well. I believe this will be shown on your profile though. For example, the street address won't actually show in your profile, but your city probably will. This is basically how it will look like. Here you can actually scroll through all of it and see if you've made any mistakes. You can actually edit it as well. Once you are done and you are happy with it, you can here click on submit profile. And it says here, your profile is ready. View my profile or browse jobs. So I'll just start with a client. I'll click on there. And here it says sign up to hire talent. So you can actually continue with Apple or Google as well, or simply just fill everything in manually. So I have filled everything in, and then you also have to accept this. You don't have to particularly accept that. And then click on create my account. And then it says, welcome Ryan, let's start with your first job post. So it says it's the fastest way to meet top talent, get help from AI, and be done in no time. So you can actually create your first job over here. You can actually do that with AI, or you can actually do it without. But let's see how this will look like. So describe what you're looking for in a sentence or two. For example, like this, I am looking for a high quality video editor for a decent price. Then I can simply click on continue. Do, for example, the hourly rate or project budget. So let's say like the whole project is, for example, $250. You can fill that in right here, or do like a range. So from $12 to $25 per hour. And if you aren't ready for that, it also says not ready to set an hourly rate. You can also click on there as well, but I'll just leave it like this. Click on continue. So then with AI, it automatically filled all of this in, which is great. Now they also automatically created a description for you now, and also a title. So here you can actually edit the title as well to match your actually, your preferences, and also the whole description over here. So you can actually, for example, make it more casual, make it more formal, shorten it, add more details, rewrite it. So for example, I can simply change a couple of different sentences or words in here. But for example, I can also do this. So make it casual, and then it will generate a new description for me, which is actually pretty cool. And here you can actually see. So this is what it changed to. Then I can, for example, click on save changes. And yeah, so here it says category, video editing, skills. So these are all of the skills that I, for example, prefer. So video editing, Adobe Premiere Pro, video post editing, video production, and Adobe After Effects. So for example, this is for high like effects. So if you don't need that, you can also remove that. And once you are done with that, you can actually click on continue and post your job. And then it says, please verify your email. So that's what I have to do first before I can actually post the job. Once I've done that, it will be posted. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video helps you out. Let me know in the comments, and then I will see you next time.